Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Synthesia, one of the most talked about AI video creation tools on the market right now. If you are tired of being on camera but still want professional looking videos, this might be the solution that you've been waiting for. We're going to cover what it is, how it works, its features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and finally whether it's the best way to make videos without being on camera. Let's get started. Synthesia is an AI-powered video creation platform that lets you generate videos using digital avatars and voiceovers without ever stepping in front of a camera. Think of it as a way to turn text scripts into engaging videos, all driven by AI. This platform is designed not just for individual creators, but also for teams and large organizations, from marketing and sales to learning and development. It's fully cloud-based, meaning that you don't need installs, cameras, lighting kits, or a film crew to get started. They promote the ability to create and publish videos in more than 160 languages. They localize content easily and collaborate with others in real time. It's truly aiming to be an all-in-one video solution for businesses, educators, and creators who want polished videos fast. Now let us talk about the main features of Synthesia. AI video generation from text. You simply type or paste in your scripts in the box here on screen. You choose an avatar and a voice, select your language, and Synthesia generates a video for you. No filming, just creation. You can localize videos in over 160 languages, yes, complete with lip-synced movement, which saves massive time on translation and reshooting. Next are AI avatars. Choose from a growing library of AI presenters. You can even create custom avatars on higher plans if you want something that matches you or your brand. There are also templates and brand kits. Rather than starting with a blank slate, you can use ready-made templates and add your brand colors, logos, font, and styles so that every video looks polished and consistent. Next is the screen recorder, online screen recorder. Do you need to show a demo or a walkthrough? Yes, there's a built-in screen recorder so you can use mixed screencasts with avatar narration, all in one place. Next is the collaboration and management tools. Teams can comment, they can review and also iterate on videos in real time, which is a big productivity boost, especially for companies. Then we have the translation and localization tools. Yes, with one click you can localize the video into hundreds of languages without refilming. This massively accelerates global outreach. In short, Synthesia turns the entire video pipeline, which is scripts to creation to publish, into a fast, simplified workflow that doesn't require traditional production tools. What is the pricing of Synthesia like? There's a basic plan, which is free to get started with. It includes 1,200 credits per month and it's usable for up to 10 minutes of video per month. There's a starter plan at $18 per month. There's a creator plan at $64 per month. And there's an enterprise plan where you book a demo and negotiate with the sales team for a custom pricing. What are the pros and cons of using Synthesia? We start with the pros. No on-camera requirements. It is great for business and training videos. It has multilingual reach, a faster time to publish, and it's easy for non-tech users. What about the cons? Well, it's not truly human, so keep that in mind. There's limited customization in lower tiers, and the pricing can add up. Also, it's entirely cloud-based, and you could use up your video credits. So is Synthesia the best option for making videos without being in front of camera? Here's my honest view. If your goal is to produce professional short-form videos quickly and cheaply, and you don't need authentic human emotion or cinematic production, then yes, Synthesia is one of the strongest tools available right now in 2026. That said, if you're creating story-driven content, brand personality pieces, or videos where authenticity matters more than efficiency, no AI avatar can yet fully replace a real human on camera. The technology is impressive, but it still has that synthetic edge that can distract in the wrong context. So yes, Synthesia is excellent, especially for business use cases, but it's not a universal replacement for all types of video content creators. And that's it on the review of Synthesia. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore HeyGen, Colossian, and Pictory AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.